Hey everyone, what's up? This is Marcus with Future Studio University. We have touched Thinky within last week's video and showed you how to query documents by fields of a nested object. We will use last week's user model as a basis for this tutorial. The defined user model has 4 properties: the ID, the username, the password, and the nested objects for the address. At this point, you should be familiar with the definition of a Thinky model. Now, let's get our hands down to the keyboard and extend the user model by adding a new method. The basic approach to add custom methods to your Thinky model is to use the define function. As a first parameter, you have to define the actual method name, and as a second parameter, you need to implement a function that will be executed when calling the method. To make things approachable, we will implement the compare password functionality that will compare the candidate password with the user's encrypted password leveraging bcrypt. Actually, we are wrapping the bcrypt call into a promise because we're huge promises fanboys. You don't need to rely on promises within your implementation, you can just use the callbacks as well. Okay, as already said, we will use bcrypt and compare the candidate password with the user's password. Because we are in the context of the promise, we need to define a variable that contains the functionality and the objects of the user model. And the third parameter is the callback that returns the error object first, and the Boolean variable that holds the value if the passwords match or not. If the passwords matches, we can resolve with the user object, and if they don't match, we can reject with the method and tell the user that the password don't match. You need to import the missing packages. And you're done. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this guide. Use the thumbs up and make it rock.